Good morning, this is Sean from Clearly Windows here in Federal Way. We're working on a pressure washing job. We're going to be going all the way around. We're going to do all this driveway. Got Abby here today. She's going to be doing this work by herself, but we're going to be going from property line to property line, getting all of the sidewalks and all these flat surfaces, and we're going to go all the way around the house. So I'll walk around and give a little bit more information, but again, we're pressure washing today, and Abby's in charge. All right, we're in the backyard here, and we've got some sidewalk, a little landing here. There's a small patio over here that we're going to clean, and our client would like us to clean this lawn border here as well. So yeah, it's not going to be too bad. I'm sure that Abby will be able to really just easily take care of this. So, all right. We got a surface cleaner here that'll help us with the big areas. Works kind of like a lawnmower, and works out well. Got a blower for the final touch on things towards the end. Mixed fuel, pressure hose. We've got a pressure washer back here. Got ramps so we can get the stuff in and out of the truck. All right, this is the first time Abby's brought this machine out of the Ranger by herself. Gets the wheels lined up and brings it down. Look at that, champ. All right, Abby's going to town. She's working on the edging first. So when she goes back and uses the surface cleaner, she's got all of the fine details worked out.